Hey y'all, it's Jenny and today I'm going to teach you how to install the IQ Doorbell. The IQ Doorbell lets you keep your existing doorbell, but just makes it smarter. Once it's installed, when someone rings your doorbell, you'll hear it here, and here, and anywhere you have an IQ too. Plus, you can set up smart home rules, so when someone rings your doorbell, you'll get a text message. Or your porch light turns on. Even start recording from your exterior cameras and have it sent right to your phone. You don't have to change anything in your home. All you have to do is wire this into this.